All right, everybody. Good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and I wasn't even going to make a video about this, but I figured I should because I screwed up. Matter of fact, this is the hose. You see, I got the compressor. Make sure you guys are be here, but I had to take the compressor down. Had to take this hose because I ended up breaking this hose. If you guys remember, a few weeks ago, I was fixing some leaks. I ended up pulling this part out and installing this one, the powder coated one, because it had corroded inside and it was causing like a pretty big leak. But when I did that, I this part right here, so here's the other piece. You guys can see that, but it like broke on the inside. So this goes like this, right? And what I didn't realize, and there was a warning sticker on here, and matter of fact, I think this is a piece of it, and it said, like, I couldn't tell what it said, right? Because I didn't install this, but basically, I should not have taken this piece off of here. This whole piece turns like this, and I didn't realize that. So when I put everything back together, it held for like one day, and then this piece broke off. So I ordered it, and the reason I'm making this video is because I'm like, well, it'll stop somebody else from making this mistake. Because like I said, I didn't install these compressors. Last time I built a bag truck, I had an engine-driven compressor. So, I didn't have any of this, but you can see I just opened that, but you can see right here, it even says swivel fitting right here. And it's like telling you, let me see if you guys can see this here, but it's telling you to put the wrench on this piece and that this piece swivels. So I took this off of this, and I should not have done that because, like I said, in the end, this piece ended up breaking. So, I just want to make a little video. I don't have to take the compressor all the way down, so I had to cut the wiring. I'm going to put all that back together. But anyways, so I'm going to put the new hose back on. I'm going to go mount it up, and hopefully everything turns out good. But like I said, if you're going to take this hose off, do not take these two pieces apart, right? So you could tell, see, feels like you can take it apart. Don't take this apart. Just remove this piece. That's it. So, but I'm gonna get everything back together, check for leaks, and hopefully this helps somebody out. All right, I don't think I mentioned this, but just as a reference, this is the part number. You guys can see that, but part number 92797. This is straight from Viair, and this is a 4080, I believe. Where is it? Yeah, 480C. Turn this on here. 480C dual pack compressor, whatever that means, Viair. So just in case anybody was wondering, this is 3/8 line right here. So I already got this part on. Let's get the other part on. But anyways, that's part number. So if anybody ever needs one of these hoses direct from Viair with the fitting, you're not sure which one, if you need a 3/8, that's the part number. Okay, so a couple of things before I end this video. These, I already knew this, but these things are junk. These little, whatever you want to call these, to drain. So the new one, I thought, it's brand new, I'll just leave it on there, blah, blah, blah. It already failed. It was already leaking, and when I took it apart, the O-ring in there, matter of fact, this is a piece of it. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but this is a piece of the O-ring. I had already ripped. So this is actually the piece, and the O-ring goes like right here, right? And it had already ripped out. So what it's supposed to do is you're supposed to turn this, and then it comes down, and then it seats in there, and it's supposed to stop the air from coming out the bottom, right? But it already failed. So obviously this goes down here at the bottom, right? So I put the ball valve in there that I had before, that had already replaced these with. I should have just done it from the beginning. Now, the reason why I didn't do it though is because I didn't want to take this off and mar this up because it's brand new, whatever. But what I did was I figured out how to do it. I just took some pretty thick zip ties and I just stuck them. I'm not sure if I'm about to get this on there, but anyway, okay, so I kind of did. But I took a couple of these. You can see these right here. I slid them up here, and then I grabbed what's the channel locks right here to hold this. Actually, I had taken this part off. Right, so then I use this to hold it so I didn't mar it up, and then I could break this loose, you know, and without messing this up. So that's why I originally hadn't changed it, but I ended up having to, and that's how I did it. I don't know if you can see it, but let me turn this light on. But I kind of marred this up, but I marred the zip tie. I didn't. This didn't get affected at all on the one. This is obviously not the one I installed there, but this is still a brand new one. So the next time, if I end up having to change this one out, I'm just gonna take this stupid thing off. But anyways, if like I said, if you don't want to mar it, put some zip ties on it, grab it with some channel locks. You can see how I marred this one all up, right? But at this point, when I did all this, I didn't care about it. But anyways, these things are junk, man. Honestly, they come with them, but I would just change it out immediately. So after I just pressure checked it a few times, cycled it, absolutely no leaks at all. So that's a win. But if you have these are the ABS. Like, I don't see anything wrong with them except for, honestly, for these. They're no good, right? And get the powder coated ones. Well, we'll see, right? I mean, this is raw aluminum, corroded. The powder coated should be fine, but I guess time will tell. We'll see, because I'll make an update. But anyways, closing out this video. Let's take a look here. But finally got the GMC 2012 bagged. It's been bagged for a couple of years now, I think. But just maintenance, whatever. And stopped all the leaks down here. I just sprayed it all down. Looks good. But anyways, all right. Signing off. Everybody have a wonderful day. Peace.